Toyota navigation system. You do not need to get a new radio. You do not need to replace radio. You do not need to do any kind of modification. This 2010 Toyota factory original navigation system, that it's outdated. So what we're going to do is we're going to add Bluetooth capability to this old navigation system that only has Bluetooth for voice but not for music. So we're going to add Bluetooth music to this 2010 Toyota Camry hybrid sound system by adding Bluetooth to it using the Gizmo Guy Gadget from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Gizmo Guy Gadget will allow you to add Bluetooth capability, for music, through this Toyota navigation system. You do not need to get a new radio. You do not need to replace radio. You do not need to do any kind of modification. Simply get my gadget from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Gizmo Guy Gadget will allow you to add Bluetooth capability, so that way you can stream music, you can talk hands-free, as well as update your GPS navigation. This GPS navigation looks really nice, however, it's outdated and is slow, and it does not give you the real-time traffic information. So instead, you may want to use the one from your phone, and that way you can use Waze to get real update for real traffic and everything by using your phone. And with my device, you will also be able to stream the sound from your navigation from Waze right through your car speakers, so you can hear your navigation instructions loud and clear as you drive. So you can, with my gadget, Gizmo Guy Gadget, you'll be able to enjoy streaming music, talk hands-free, as well as GPS navigation functionality, all through this 2010 Toyota hybrid navigational sound system. Keep everything exactly it is and add Bluetooth and play music. So let me show you how it's done. All you gotta do is get my device from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Get my device, all you gotta do is plug it in. Let's see, turn it on. So we'll turn on the radio. Set your radio to 87.9. Simply set your preset to 87.9 like this. Then you're ready to use my gadget to stream music, talk hands-free, as well as getting GPS information. So let me turn it up so you can hear it. Now you get my device from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Plug in my device into the car.
Bluetooth mode. Waiting for connection. Connected.
That's all you have to do. That's all you have to do to add music, Bluetooth music, to this Toyota factory system with navigation. You can keep everything the way it is. All your function will be the same. You can choose whichever function that you go, but you can just set it at FM radio to set your FM preset to 87.9. Then you'll be able to stream music, talk hands-free, and add GPS navigation all through the original sound system without modifying it. This is the quickest and simplest way to add Bluetooth capability to your 2010 Toyota Camry sound system. Okay? This is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. You get my gadget from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. This is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.
My name is Patrick. What happens when you find a nice car on eBay, something that's within your cost range, but it's an older car, you love the way it looks, but you know you can't play your cell phone on it? Here's what you do. I found this product by Gizmo Guy, CD quality sound from your cell phone to your world-class audio system on the cool car you bought. Let's see how it works. Yeah, so it's really simple. It comes, when you order this product, it came with this little dongle. It also came with an attachment. You plug it into your phone. This is an iPhone, and you just start playing your music. Open your music. I should say one thing, there's stations on the back here that you preset on your radio. These are what it plays through. It actually was charging my phone as it's playing music, so definitely recommend the Gizmo Guy.
Thank you for watching my adding Bluetooth to Toyota radio video. This is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Over the last 30 years, I have installed, repaired, and messed with thousands of car stereo. So when it comes to car stereo, I know what I'm talking about. Try my gadget out. I guarantee you that this will be the best gadget that you get this year. Thank you.